fate design.
Real time, what you cooking?
I just slapped the fuck out of a nigga with a bench press. I just fucked the shit out my bitch. Her hair is a mess. Beat on my bitch cause she annoying. She a pest. My mama beat my ass cause I failed the test. I called my op and I shot him in his chest. Nigga, you buck as fuck. You ain't even get your stimulus check. My plug said he coming. Why you peck? I just caught one of my fat ass ops. He was trying to get in shape. I beat the pussy up. Got it turned purple like a grape. That nigga depressed as hell. He listened to Drake. I cut my homeboy off cause he was being fake. I got caught by my main bitch taking my side bitch on a date. And I just fucked this white ass bitch named Kate. That bitch thought it was sweet. We ain't eating steak. Like, you can get McDonald's. I just slapped the fuck out of a nigga named Ronald.
Bitch, I'm sipping lean straight out the bottle. I just fucked on the white bitch, she was a supermodel. Beating fast from them crackers, I'm in full throttle. Just smacked off and sent him to his mama. Dumb bitch got a long neck like a llama. Speeding from the crackers in my rifle. Finna fire him up, you know he not safe. Mama smacked me in my shit cause I came home late. I just took my white bitch on a date. That nigga fucked up on some kratom. That bitch said she ugly, she don't wanna date him. Op talking crazy, guess I gotta fade him. Yo bitch said she want the D. That bitch said text me. I just fucked the white bitch named Becky. Told that bitch shut up and give me necky. I just crashed my car into a tree. Punched my bitch in the face and said don't talk to me. Cut my ex bitch off cause she wanna stalk me. Ops want me dead, they wanna stop me. Hit my plug up and said I'm finna cop 3. I'm a real street nigga, I can't show no love. Long live my brother that's up above. That bitch a pest, she a bug. Mama said wipe my feet on the rug.